We are shapes. Shapes. We are shapes. Do you know, kids, what are shapes? No? Okay, today we are going to learn about shapes. आज हम shapes के बारे में सीखेंगे. Let's start. I am circle. Circle. C-I-R-C-L-E. Circle. Clock. Clock. Clock is a circular shape. Coin. Coin. Coin is a circular shape. Circle. Clock. Coin. I am square. 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 Bread. It is bread. It has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. So bread is square. Window. It is window. It has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. Window is square shape. Square. Bread. Window. I am rectangle. Rectangle. R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E. Rectangle. Notebook. It is a notebook. 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 4 sides. Kids, इसकी सामने वाली sides equal होती हैं. Door. It is door. 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 4 sides. So door is rectangular shape. Rectangle. Notebook. Door. I am triangle. Triangle. T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E. Triangle. What is this? Pizza slice. It is a pizza slice. 1, 2, 3. It has 3 sides. So pizza slice is triangular shape. What is this? Chips. It is chips. 1, 2, 3. It has 3 sides. So chips is triangular shape. Triangle. Pizza slice. Chips. Star. S-T-A-R. Star. There are so many stars in the sky. Stars. O-V-A-L. Oval. Oval. Egg. It is egg and it is oval shape. Oval. Egg. Heart. H-E-A-R-T. Heart. It is heart shape. Balloon. It is balloon. हार्ट, बैलून। ये कौन सी शेप है? इट इज पेंटागन, पेंटागन। डायमंड, डायमंड इज पेंटागन शेप। Pentagon, diamond. Thanks for watching.